trying to stay alive, and I'll get caught in the highs. Yeah, you pull me in circles till I am falling from cloud nine.
Coming at you from your private entry foyer of this 3-bedroom, 3 full bath premier residence, which is offered on the highest floor available before penthouse level. I got distracted with this incredible view with a spacious balcony, direct ocean front. It just doesn't get better than this. This kitchen has been entirely and structurally remodeled, and now you have a full island and open kitchen facing direct to the ocean. And when I say a full remodel, you're talking everything replaced. A sink, appliances, a nice bottle temperature storage, and all lighting, as well as countertop seating on both the east and the north side. The uniqueness of this floor plan is it is a flow-through residence. So you're gonna get direct ocean views all morning, or you can go to the west terrace where you get direct intercoastal views. Of course, city and downtown included.